Hi guys, so I received a question about what should I buy for a laptop or a computer so the business center runs smoothly. I guess this is everybody's personal preference, but there is always a minimum. Like with every software, they'll give you like some minimum requirements which you should adhere to, so you would be able to perform certain tasks smoothly. To find out, you should go to your support tab and hit the release notes. It will open a PDF document, and almost to the end you see page 17, 18 and 19. It gives you the system requirements. So obviously operating system, they are calling for a 64-bit version of Windows 8 or 10. Windows 7 is no longer supported, as is not supported by Microsoft. Processor power, it's 1.8 gigahertz or better, quad core 2.8 gigahertz or better. Obviously, if you are dealing with the large data sets for photogrammetry or mobile mapping, you wanna go as many cores as you can find. The Business Center runs better on an Intel chip. Its AMD Ryzen processor are not supported. RAM, they spec 4 or more, so this is with the Windows, it's 4 or more, but 8 is a minimum for Windows 10, so I would say go for 16 and up. 32 recommended. Hard disk space at this day and age doesn't really matter, but you know, they want a 10 gigs, obviously preferably solid state. I mean 500 gig hard drive solid state, pretty relatively cheap these days. Monitor, bigger, better, higher resolution, you know, the better. Minimum here they say 1280 by 1024, 256 or more colors at 96 dpi, just relatively standard these days. Port, if you are using a USB dongle, obviously you need a USB port 2 or higher. Graphics card, again, the better you can get, the smoother your experience is gonna be. They are definitely a minimum of DirectX 11 compatible graphics card with 512 megabytes of memory. I would say 4 gigabyte graphics card at this time is kind of standard, so you know, 4 to 8 gig. I use NVIDIA, I use AMD, no issues there. They are recommending NVIDIA Quadro P4000 if you are dealing with the large data sets, again for photogrammetry or mobile mapping. There is a note here: if you are using a laptop computer with both an integrated onboard graphics card and discrete NVIDIA graphics card enabled via Optimus technology, your computer must allow you to select disabled integrated graphics card, so it's gonna use only discrete. I mean, I think most of the computer will enable you to select which graphic cards you want to use with which software, so that should be no-brainer there. Also important note there, keep up to date with your graphics driver. I find that really speeds up stuff. They are improving on the software and drivers pretty much every week, every 2 weeks now, so just keep that up in mind. So that would be the minimum requirements for Trimble Business Center. Drop a comment there, what's your setup? Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you next video.